Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hello everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show. Today we're going to do two favorite things, Zyaba, that you like the most. Watching Blippi and assembling puzzles. Check this out. Look at Blippi puzzle that we're going to make today. For this project you will need a plain puzzle that you can buy online or at any craft store, then Sharpie for the outline and a bunch of crayons. Let's begin! Zyaba, what do you think about our project? Was it fascinating? Okay, let me break it down so you can assemble the puzzle! It's so fun! Thank you for watching! See you next time! Bye-bye!